The last step for the outer moccasin sole is to push this seam together, creating that T-like formation, and stitch it closed. The next step is to insert the moccasin lining into the outer shell. Once that's done, take a measuring tape and measure all the way around the moccasin opening. This measurement is going to help us determine the length for the fur cuff. Now, when cutting out your fur strips, you want to use an x-acto knife. The reason for this is because you're going to be slicing only the back portion of the fur so that you don't cut any other fur underneath. So taking your x-acto knife and lifting up the fur so that it's away from the surface underneath, drag the x-acto knife along the line that you've made. Just like that. Now for your cuffs, you want them to be the length of the moccasin opening and the width 2 inches. Once your fur cuff is cut out, we're going to sew the ends together. The last and final step is to whip stitch all the way around the moccasin opening. We're going to stitch at a 1/4 inch seam allowance using our sinew and a glover's needle. Looking forward to the final reveal tomorrow. Hope you can join me.